ING has retained its wholesale banking business and global shared services operations in the Philippines despite exiting retail banking in 2022. To discuss this, we have its country manager, June Palanca, who will be speaking at the Asian Banking and Finance Forum on October 1. June, since leaving retail, how has ING performed in terms of wholesale banking?
ING's been in the Philippines for the last 34 years, initially as a rep office. Then we got our universal banking license later on. We've always been providing wholesale banking products to a wide range of clients across various sectors. Now, we pioneered also the digital retail banking business in the Philippines with its introduction in 2018. And we closed this in 2022, as you mentioned earlier. Of course, that product had been quite beneficial for providing Filipinos not only with a superior product, but more importantly, providing the convenience, which was quite essential, especially during the COVID period. That was short lived, however, and we were now very much focused on the wholesale banking franchise, right? So that period of the retail business, when you look at it vis-a-vis the 34 years of ING, had been relatively short. Even when we were doing retail, we were still providing wholesale banking products to our clients. So we continue to do that. We continue to leverage off our inherent strengths coming from our key differentiators, which is our sector expertise, our global franchise, and our being sustainable pioneers. And we're proud to say that we continue to provide clients with ideas and solutions that have allowed them to continue to grow their business, both domestically and globally.
And I'm assuming that these solutions that you offer are all latched onto trends. With that, what trends are you seeing in the Philippines banking industry today?
We'll see actually three trends that are quite prevalent in the financial sector, right? So first is the push towards sustainability finance. Second is focus on investments in digital technology. And the third is an increase in financing support for the infrastructure sector. So first being the big push towards sustainable finance. And a lot of that's really been driven by regulations, right? So both the BSP and the SEC have been promoting this with measures like lower reserve requirements for green bonds and issuance of the sustainability taxonomy, which the BSP had released earlier this year. ING has been always at the forefront of that, advising our clients on arranging green bonds, sustainability loans, and helping them to generally to transition to a low carbon economy. The second point has been the investments in digital transformation. But all these investments in technology is really to improve the customer experience and streamline operations. Again, all that to make the banks and BFIs more competitive vis-a-vis the growing competition from the rest of the market, right? And ING aligns with that in providing data-driven bespoke solutions to our clients to provide a positive environmental impact. And the last one is really on with respect to investments in infrastructure or infrastructure loans. Again, that aligns with the current government administration's focus on modernizing infrastructure to support the country's growth. IG has also been very active in providing our clients, not just in terms of advisory, but also in bespoke financing solutions to support them in their foray into the various infrastructure projects.
Are these also part of your priorities? Can you tell us your priorities for ING Philippines in the coming years?
No, absolutely. Our priorities as ING Philippines is very much aligned to these trends, right? So again, providing sustainability solutions. In 2023, ING had mobilized 115 billion to our clients to support them in the transition to sustainability. And in fact, we've updated our targets very recently to 150 billion euros by 2027. We continue to advise our clients through their respective journeys, and we continue to help them mobilize green, social, sustainability-linked loans and bonds. We also continue to invest in digital infrastructure to improve our client experience and streamline operations. In fact, we are in the middle of a big investment at the moment, which we hope to complete by end of 2026. Again, that's also very much to help us provide a data-driven insights, which will be crucial to coming up with tailored financial solutions that drive sustainable growth. And then the third one that we are also working on is strengthening our wholesale banking coverage and product offerings. That's essentially extensively supporting key sectors like renewable energy, infrastructure, all vital areas for sustainable development, all again in line with what the current government is trying to do, right? So that's providing export advisory services, bespoke financial solutions, again, with the aim of being the trusted advisor and strategic solution provider to our clients. All of that, of course, at the end of the day, what we want to try and do is we want to try and achieve sustainable growth for ING Philippines while contributing to the Philippine economic development and also addressing the Philippine environmental and social objectives.
Looking forward to see all these plans roll out in the future, June. Thank you so much for your time today and see you at the forum.
Thank you, Seth. Thank you.
Once again, that was June Palanca, Country Manager at ING Philippines. For more news and a chance to network with industry leaders at the Asian Banking and Finance Forum, don't forget to sign up at asianbankingandfinance.net.